Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the app. Add camera permission, and if saving photos, write external storage in the manifest. Then add Camera X artifacts to your app module and sync Gradle so APIs are available. Once done, request the camera runtime permission from the user and only proceed if granted. Next, create a preview use case and a simple surface provider for your preview view. This gets the camera image stream into the UI and sets you up to bind use cases to the lifecycle. You now obtain a process camera provider and, once available, unbind previous use cases and prepare new ones. Create preview with a surface provider tied to your preview view, then configure image capture with desired JPEG quality and target rotation. If you need frames, add image analysis with an executor and backpressure strategy. Choose camera selector for front or back lens and set target resolution or use a 16:9 aspect ratio so output matches your UI. Finally, bind the chosen use cases to the lifecycle owner. You finish by invoking image capture. Take picture with proper output file options and a background executor. When the callback returns success, save or insert the image into Media Store and update the UI. Make sure to handle orientation by applying target rotation or rotating the bitmap if needed, and shut down your camera executor in on destroy. If something goes wrong, first verify runtime permission was granted. Confirm Camera X dependency versions, match Android X BOM, and ensure your preview view rotation and target rotation align to avoid black or rotated frames.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.